Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning Kim Walker's song, I Exalt Thee, and I'm going to be playing in the key of A. Alright, so I'm going to play a framework of the song. When I finish, I'll show you the chords that you need to use in the song. Also, in a scale of A. Alright, so if you are not familiar with the key of A, I have a crash course on the key of A, from the scales to songs and the scale, chords, and then progression. So you can flip back, check the YouTube channel, and then you can learn from it. Secondly, I would like to talk to you about my website, Love World Music Training Center. You know, this website has been made for you and for other musicians. For now, we are posting only piano. In the next coming months and weeks and years, we'll be posting guitar lessons, bass guitar, lead guitar, acoustic, saxophone, drum lessons, vocal lessons. So I would like you to go to the link in the description below and then follow it to my website and then register. I'll be expecting to see your registration. Thank you. So let's get on to it. All right. Alright, so that is my own kind of intro to the song. Now, if you're going to be playing this song, because of its nature, you need a piano and then a string under it so that you can, have your own way of making the song nice. So, this is the intro. This is chord 1. So to chord 4, this is the intro. This is chord 4, chord 5. So chord 1, then you do a 7. This is how you play your chord 7. And then you do a chord 6. Then you come back, you do chord 5. Then if you were to form the chord like this, you forget about the third note and then you leave this. Okay. So let me do the intro again. Then the song begins. Okay, so here you can play a flat 7 over 5. So this is the flat, and then this is the 5. Okay, so let's do the introduction. We've done the intro, the first phase. So this is chord 1, ta-da-da. This is chord 4, okay, and then you do a chord 5, ta-da-da. Then you back to 1, then you do a 7 like this, and then you do a 6, then you come back and do a 4, okay, then you do a 5, then come to 1, then you do the ta-da-da, 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 ta-da-da. Now before the I Exalt D, you can do a 4/5, and then you end the song on the 1. Then you do I exalt thee, okay, I exalt thee, to a 7, then you move to a 4, I exalt thee. Now this 4, you should know it by now. We've done the inversion of chords, okay. I exalt, so I exalt thee, I exalt thee, I exalt thee. Then you do maintain the 4 and then you play 5. Oh Lord, I exalt thee, I exalt thee. Okay, sorry, right, so this is what I did. I exalt thee, I exalt thee, then I exalt thee, oh Lord. Okay, so this is what I did. This is the same as chord 1, do. So it's an inversion. It's the first inversion. So with the first inversion, you maintain this notes, and then you play a 5th chord. So after the 5th, you just play the 1, 1, 1, 1. So it's just an inversion of chords. It's only so I exalt thee, I exalt thee, then I exalt thee. Then you play 4/5. Oh Lord, I exalt thee, I exalt thee, I exalt thee, oh Lord. All right, so these are the chords you need. Chord 1, chord 6, chord 7 rather, then chord 4, okay, then chord 5, back to chord 1. Then you can do a flat 7/5 over back to 1 and then 4. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da, ta-da-da. This is the same as chord 4. Ta-da-da. Then you play the 4/4/5, then you end in 1. Then you can do, or you can do, okay, or simply, then I exalt thee. Okay, so 1, 5, 1, 1, 1. So I exalt thee. I exalt thee. Okay, so here you can do a 7. I like this chord so much. It's a major 7th. It's the same as, so so this same chord you can use it to play 4. So I exalt thee, I exalt thee, I exalt thee, then oh Lord. Alright, so I believe and pray that this tutorial should help you to play the song. God bless you for being a part of this channel. Bye.